Hello, welcome back. So in this particular video, we are going to see a simple calculation using Python. And in this particular video, we are discussing with respect to the arithmetic operations. Okay, a basic simple arithmetic operations using Python Jupyter Notebook. So this particular basic arithmetic operations is built into the Python language, and here are some examples which help you with respect to the operators. Okay, so for that what you have to do is nothing but in Python Jupyter Notebook cell, you have to include one cell where you have to assign a random number like a equals to 12 and b equals to 2. So that is a random number which I have given over here. You can even just change the number with respect to any form of number you have just thinking in your mind. Okay, and then you have to run that particular cell. Okay, once it's done, then you have to just perform a simple arithmetic operation, all you can say as a calculation. So what I'm doing over here is nothing but I'm writing a command which is called as a print. Okay, and in that I'm assigning a. So what is a is nothing but the 12, which I have given a number, and b is given as a 10. So we are adding a two number from here, that is a plus b, in the form of print. Okay, so once I do that, so I got answer in front of me. Okay, so if you're interested in the multiplication, the symbols thing you have to include, there's nothing but this symbol. Okay, and you have to write the same, that is a print a multiplied by b. Okay, and I'm going to run that. So you got this particular answer. Okay, whereas if you just see that this particular thing is nothing but the divided. So we are dividing a to b. Okay, so we are just double multiplying this. If I just ignore this one and just try to run that, so you got the answer, that is a 120. Okay, so 120 is been multiplied by 2 times, so that's why the answer we looked. Okay, whereas here we have done a simple multiplication of a to b. Okay, the next is nothing but the divided. So we have divided a to b, and here you got the answer, that is 1.2. So this is how a simple uh, operations can be performed using Python. So stay tuned for the next videos where I will be showing you with respect to using Python Jupyter Notebook what other things we can perform.